Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a culinary treasure that can elevate any dish with their unique flavors and nutritional benefits. Whether you like your seeds whole or shelled, raw or roasted, incorporating these versatile seeds into your diet is a surefire way to boost your health and enjoy some delicious meals. Whole pumpkin seeds, with their crunchy shells, provide a delightful texture that can elevate a simple snack to a gourmet experience. Imagine grabbing a handful straight out of the bag for a quick and satisfying munch. Or imagine them scattered over a fresh salad, adding not only texture, but also a subtly earthy flavor. The whole form of these seeds ensures you're getting that balanced combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Then we delve into shelled pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, which are a powerhouse of nutrition. Free from their crunchy exteriors, these tiny green gems taste deliciously fresh and nutty. They seamlessly blend into your meals, delivering a healthy punch without altering the dish's natural taste. Toss them into your morning smoothie for an invigorating start to your day. Mix them into yogurt for an afternoon snack, or stir them into your oatmeal to keep you full till lunch. Pepitas pack a nutritious punch with each bite, making them a staple in any health-conscious diet. For those who crave that warm, toasted flavor, roasted pumpkin seeds are a culinary delight. Imagine the seeds evenly coated in fragrant herbs and spices, then roasted to golden perfection. The scent that fills your kitchen is inviting and comforting, and the flavor, absolutely irresistible. Picture yourself sprinkling these roasted delights over a creamy butternut squash soup, or enjoying them as a crunchy topping on a hearty autumn stew. They also make a fantastic snack on their own, perfect for munching on during a cozy evening at home. Last but certainly not least, pumpkin seeds have a place in sweet dishes too. Envision them mixed into homemade granola bars, lending a crunchy texture and nutty undertone, or added to a trail mix, bringing a perfect balance to the chewy sweetness of dried fruits. How about incorporating them into your favorite baked goods? Your muffins, cookies, and even bread will benefit from the added nutritional boost and delightful crunch of these seeds. The possibilities are endless and delicious, providing ample ways to enjoy pumpkin seeds in your dessert repertoire. There you have it. 4 amazing ways to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your meals, whether you prefer them whole or shelled, raw or roasted. These tiny seeds are a testament to the idea that some of the best things come in small packages. Don't forget to explore and experiment with them in your kitchen. If you found these ideas helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tasty and nutritious recipe inspirations.